piece of bark over there. In the meantime, this guy.
Oh, you're about to put that on there?
I'm just gonna put it down there so you can see for your video.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. This. Nigel. Hey, Danita. Nigel is up to aquaponics because we like growing our own food. Nigel grows our own food, which is wonderful. What do you say?
So we don't have enough room here to grow everything, so I'm about to use this wall space to grow.
Yep. Our friends gave us this, and Teresa and Matt, thank you. Yes, and Nigel actually dug out space.
Yeah, I want it to be down in the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's not up too high, you know? So it's like dig out a little space there, drop it in, cover it up now, pipe the wall, and bam.
Shh. Gotta grow a little bit of food, y'all. Gotta grow a little bit of your own food. Even if you live in the city, get you some pots.
Yep.
That's one thing that you've definitely taught me over the years, Nigel. And no matter where we live, you always make a garden for us.
Absolutely. I just break my handle just now.
Again?
No.
The next one? Oh. Nah, man. He said, I see now making a flood table. Soon we will be playing in the dirt.
Who said that?
Danita White. What? Yeah, White. No flood table here, man. This is to grow food.
Almost caught my finger in there.
Oh, no. So because that broke, what's going to happen? Like, are you going to take it off?
I'm just going to attach a pipe to it to up here.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll put this lock off up here above the soil.
Oh.
So when I'm ready to drain the water, I just turn it on and send it off over there.
Okay.
Yeah. But, I'll have to go to the store.
Oh, I didn't know. He said that's what we call it, not for a flood. I thought I didn't know.
Oh.
We don't know. That's funny.
That's funny though, flood table.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this setup.
Mm-hmm.
This whole thing here because it's a flood table, so it's flood over and come down. I got it now. I guess it's not just us in Jamaica or like
You're
name
that are literal,
right?
Right?
Yeah.
Where are you putting that dirt?
Just to fill it in the back here.
Okay. So what are we going to grow in here?
In here?
Mm-hmm.
Well, nothing is going to grow down here.
No, but I mean, wherever it's
Here?
supposed to grow, what are we gonna grow?
Well, I don't know yet. I'm thinking lettuce, tomato, and onion, garlic. That trash can right there. I'm gonna leave that soil in there. I'm gonna grow potatoes in there.
Oh my! Oh wow!
And maybe a yam or two.
Oh wow!
Yeah. And
Okay.
if it works good, then I'm gonna get some more.
Okay.
And put them on the side over there, and so they'll be like little bush.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it'll be food.
Okay.
Food bush.
Food bush. We could grow some cilantro too.
Yeah. I get little stuff. Some of them I'll just go to the farms, the like Home Depot or whatever. And whatever I see there that I'm interested, I'll just get some of them and just grow.
Okay.
I'm about to try out because like it's not like I'm in Jamaica where I can say, okay, I'm gonna grow some corn and I'm gonna grow this and that and that and that.
Right.
I don't really know, so
Right.
I'm experimenting.
Right. You
Yeah.
have to test the soil out.
Yeah. See what the soil can grow and all that stuff. And Katie says she's gonna give me a book
Okay.
that tells you what type of fruits and vegetables can grow in Florida. That work best with the climate,
Okay. So you're leaving that little space kind of out.
Yeah, for now.
All right, you guys. We'll see you later. Thanks for
cover it back
joining
with
us.
the mulch.
You're gonna cover that part?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because I noticed that the mulch, you can grow, like when I plant the stuff, I cover it with the mulch. Because I use like the press cake, the almond press cake, and the moringa press cake as fertilizer. So after I plant the stuff and the roots catch and everything, I put some of that over it. And then when I put that over it and it starts to germinate, then I cover it with the mulch. So when I water it, the mulch holds the water and pass it down slowly on the press cake, while the press cake absorb it and expand with moisture, and then the plants feed off of the nutrients coming out of the press cake. So I harvest like 2-3 times already, Carlo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it was good too.
Yeah.
It was nice. It was very nice.
And I have baby moringa.
Oh, you never showed that to me. Wow.
So, I have some more over here.
Wow.
These ones weren't doing so good, so I pulled them out of the nest. Over there, you can see a little bit of leaf on there. They fall off in the cold. So they're gonna come back because I can see like little branches right there. But if it had breakdown here, I would have to just throw it away. It wouldn't come back. But like this, it stands a chance. And this one, you can see them have some little burn spot, but they'll make it. Yeah. The other ones over here, they look better.
The ones that are in the ground.
Yeah. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put the trees yet. I'm thinking on that side over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Or maybe down in the gutter right there, because when the rain falls, the water goes down in that side over there.
Okay, babes, I'm gonna go in. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed your time with Nigel in the garden. Grow some food, man. Grow some food. Right, Nigel?
Yep.
Tell him, Nigel.
Grow what you eat what you grow. That way you know what's in it. Yeah, man. I'm gonna share this with you guys more often. I have some tips too, like on natural stuff and how to get rid of bugs off your plants and stuff like that. So, in videos coming up, we'll share with you guys. I'll share that with you guys too. All right.